Hi everyone, Sarah here. Happy Friday. Hope you are all doing well. I know I've been a little MIA for a bit, but I just haven't been feeling up to videos or diamond painting, so it's time to get back on track. I do have a Diamond Art Club unboxing for you, and this is being posted Friday, which is Black Friday, so I'm sure you have all been onto the Diamond Art Club website to check out their Black Friday sale and their new releases. From what I've been watching, there's 25 new diamond paintings. Scary. So I do have a couple that have been piling up here to unbox for you guys. So some of them were new when purchased. Let me just grab my book. So I can give you guys the details. This one here, was a new release before, no, just after the Halloween one. So this one I ordered October 17th, shipped October 19th, and received November 3rd. And this one is a square. This is Marine to Life by Dominic Davidson. Now I did purchase this one to complete for my parents, and it's huge. It is a 92 by 70. So let's open this one up. I took the plastic off already. I have not opened the box yet though. Here we go. So we have our square toolkit. Let's quickly share with you guys. We have pointy tweezers, nice and sharp. We also have the single placer pen. Do we have two? Yeah, 2 chunks of heart-shaped wax, the clear tray, blue squishy, some baggies, and the super awesome skinny 4-placer. Love those. And now that they're including them, getting lots of them. And then you also get your little sticker I use in my book to show that I've got it. And here's the big one. Show you guys a nice clear image there. Super awesome. We do have 2 AB, a blue and a green, 61 colors, lots and lots of colors there. It's very cool. It's like a framed print that's coming to life on a shelf. All right, open up this bag. Hope the lighting's okay. It's gloomy outside, so we are using our LED lighting, and this one is really big, so don't want too much yuckiness in the background there. So we get 2 packages of drills. There's your instructions, tips and tricks. Drills come bagged with your code so that you know which one they go to. Lots of muted colors. It's gonna look really cool. So here is the image. It is giant. It's not gonna all fully fit in the screen here. You can see we have one seagull flying out, the other one is sitting on the edge, and another one flying out. And then on the shelf, there's some seashells. We have a globe. There's a crab sitting on the inside of the frame, and then a crab that's come out with the water, the flow of the water. And then a big lantern and a starfish. So it's very, very beautiful. And then even in the background, you can see the print of the wallpaper. So cool. Let me show you. the drill field up close here so you can see. As usual, it's great quality for Diamond Art Club. Super sparkly. And images, symbols are all clear. Give myself an air bubble in there. A cute little lighthouse and a house with the smoke coming out. And the cliff. It's going to be so neat. So, so cool. Let me just quickly flip this over so I can show you guys the drills. Set that under my stand so it doesn't go away. So we have 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. Don't mind the crinkle. See the sparkly. With one lonely bag by itself here. 3860. With 3 bags of 3782. 2 bags of the 355. 2 bags of the 762. There's 317 and 413. They look pretty similar. We have 2 bags of the 3776. 3771. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a 3865, 2 of 3033, and 3857. And then we have the little ones here. 519, 3052, 797. Here's our first AB. It's 134. It's a nice bright green. You can see the AB coating. It stands for Aurora Borealis. Just has an extra coating that gives you a bit of a rainbow and reflects more colors. And then here's the other one right beside it. It's 136, the nice ultramarine blue. So pretty. There's some 905, 720, 907, 904, 3346, 3051. We have our 823, 895, 666, our bright red, 3341, 890, 741, it's pretty orange, 321, 600, and 602. And then in our second bag, so sparkly, we have some 738, 2 bags of 779, 739, 814, 433, 2 bags of 414. It's a pretty peachy orange. 402, 938. We have 3 bags. 2 bags of 318. This one's pretty too. 3830. It's like a coral color. 2 bags of 310. And 2 bags of 415. And we have one more set here. We have 738, 742, 3856, 2 bags of 3799, 3861, 783, 743, that one's pretty, 436 and 435, and 434. Then we have 780, 301, 3348, some pretty blues, 799 and 798, 445, 3770, mossy green 3053, and then a mint 772. So those are all our colors. Let's just take another look here and see where the ABs are going to be. So our ABs, the green is number 1 and the blue is number 2. So I can see green right away. The AB is going to be the green in the cliff here and at the tips of the trees. That's it, it's just there. And then number 2 for the blue is in the house, and no, that's a J. These ones are 2. So the shutters on this side, highlights on the roof. There's some in the water. There's J's and 2's, but 2 is your AB. So there's some in the water in here. And that's it. So just sprinkled through, it's going to bring your focus into there. Oh, and there's some really cool books on this side of the shelf behind the globe. Those are really nice. It's going to be a really pretty picture. All right, so that's it for today. Hope you guys like that. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.